Good day. Today we will revise Sennheiser HD555 headphones. This tutorial will be helpful for every Sennheiser HD5xx series headphones. Because these earpads are used for a long time, they are not so soft and comfortable now. Same thing happened with Headband. Before we start, beforehand buy new set of earpads, headband cushion and foam filters from eBay. It costs about $7 to $10. It looks like it's time to start. Start with taking off the old earpad. It's actually pretty easy. Just push behind your fingers and easily pull off the cushion. As you can see, these headphones have never been to shower. That's why we have to take out the filter too. You can do it easily by using your nails, then clean the filter and put it back. To install the new earpads, we need plastic ring from old headphones, so just take it out. There's one thing, it's not so easy, but it's even harder putting them in new earpads, like much harder. If you're not confident, you can also pay $3 more and buy earpads with plastic ring inside. Now fun begins. It's called putting plastic ring in a new earpad. It required a lot of patience for me. I had to drink some whiskey after this. As time went on, I understood that my two hands were hopeless in this situation and I had to use my third extra hand. Don't tell anyone about this. By using all my three hands, I got close to victory. I can say that this was the hardest earpad replacing DIY I have ever done. Even harder than beating Dark Souls with guitar. Victory! Plastic ring is loaded in a new earpad. Feels good, man. Clean the dust and install our new earpad. Put foam filter exactly in the middle and put on the earpad. By pressing it, you can hear clicks. It is a good sound. It shows that earpad is locked in place. Congratulations! First earpad is replaced. When both earpads are replaced, all that's left to do is replace headband cushion. With no mercy, tear it off. Long nails are useful here. Exterminate the useless rubbish. For science, I'll show you how construction looks under cushion. Look, what a beautiful Sennheiser title on headband. I just adore Sennheiser headphones. They sound so fantastic. Try on the new headband cushion. If everything looks okay, carefully glue it on. Good job. We've revived these fantastic headphones. Comfort level increased to 110%. Oh my god, it's so puffy. Don't forget to like for my struggle and my third hand. Also subscribe, because you don't want to miss any fun.